Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my ReliBeauty little girl's yellow princess costume dress. My daughter loves dressing up, not just for Halloween, but basically all year round. She has all kinds of different princess dresses, but was so excited to find this yellow one. This package comes with several different pieces. We have some super cute princess jewelry that includes a red heart ring, this yellow stretchy necklace with a red heart pendant on it, 2 clip-on red heart earrings, and we also have the crown, of course, a wand, as well as 2 yellow gloves with a bow and a red gem on each glove. There is also the gorgeous long sleeve yellow gown. One thing I really like about it is that of all the Halloween costumes we've bought in the past with having 3 little kids at home, this seems to be much better made than many of those other ones that we have. It isn't made of the cheap material with those Velcro attachments in the back like many of our other costumes. It was created as an actual dress, and I can definitely see my daughter wearing this for a long time in the future. It is definitely a great option for performances, parties, of course Halloween, birthdays, or any other occasions where kids typically dress up. My daughter is super excited about this dress and looking forward to going out trick-or-treating in it this year. If you are in the market for a super cute yellow princess costume, either for your own kids or to give as a gift, you'll definitely want to take a look at this.